Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a formula on the Google Sheets. So first thing we have to do is just open the Google Sheet application, and after that we just need to choose the documents that you want to add or create the formulas to, or you can also add the new one if you don't have any documents yet. Okay, so I already have the documents that have an XML on it. So here I already have the data about the products as well as the quantity for each product. So there will be a lot of formula that provided by the Google Sheets, you can see. So first thing you have to do is to decide the cells that you want to add the formulas to. For example, I want to add the formulas here, so I want to export the formula first. You just need to go click this pencil symbols, and after that there will be an fx button, means that this is the source of the formula. You just need to click it and exploring what functions that you want to have into the cells. For example, if you want to have a math and you want to summarize all of the quantity, you just need to go click a sum here, and after that you just need to go click the information of the cells. You can see that the first cells here is on the B columns with the 7 row, so you just need to go click it. Okay, and after that you just need to go click into this. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click done, and you already have the result of submitting the espresso with the fresh juice. If you want to summarize all of them, you just need to go click wait a minute, do the same sum, and after that you just need to go click the cells, and now you just need to drag the cells down until the end of the informations. Okay, and after that you just need to click this. Okay, and after you're done, just click done, and now you already have the all of the sum or for this quantity. And that's all the way how to do summarize on Google Sheets. If you want to explore more about the function or formula on a Google Sheet, you just need to do the same. Go into the fx and find out what function that you want to apply to. That's all the way how to create the functions on Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.